I'm Katrina Natariani with BodyMindSpirit.Online. Our mission is to help people like you restore you to your best self, inside and out. Deepak Chopra explains that health and well-being are the natural state of the body and mind. Physical well-being means feeling vibrant and healthy. Are you concerned with your health? Do you see signs of aging when you look in the mirror? Do you have pain? Are you afraid your body will give out before you're ready? Do you wish you could get back to how you felt when you were young? I'm a 57-year-old entrepreneur who just 2 years ago shared your concerns. My hair was thinning, my skin had lost its elasticity, I had lost muscle strength from sitting at the computer all day. I was low energy, depressed, and unmotivated. I was really feeling my age, at all but given up. I told myself I'm aging. What did I expect? A miracle? I knew a lot of people my age who felt the same. I was distressed about my future and prayed for a solution. And within a month, my solution came, unexpectedly, in a little patch called X39. I was doubtful. I didn't really expect it to make a difference, and yet, after just 5 days of using X39, I woke up early in the morning, bursting, full of energy, ready to get in action. I was a totally different person. It was as if a veil of depression I didn't know was there lifted instantly. And after 30 days, I noticed my hair stopped falling out and was growing in strong. My muscles became stronger, and my hips and joints were more flexible. I had plenty of energy and felt optimistic again, just like when I was young. And now, after 2 years of daily use, I feel fantastic. X39 makes me look and feel younger. I feel balanced and hopeful, and the incredible science behind this miracle patch supports the benefits I and others are seeing. Do you want what I have? More energy, stronger muscles, better sleep, clear thinking, better skin, more flexibility? I urge you to reclaim your physical well-being today. Find out if X39 is a miracle for you too. Try it risk-free, no obligation, no hard sell. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee with each order. Just visit my website, BodyMindSpirit.Online, watch the video about this amazing invention, and then click on Free Sample and fill in the information. I'll personally send you an X39 patch to try.